Good day. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you a way on how to get unlimited uploads in ChatGPT. So, first, this is the problem. So, if you click this plus button, plus icon, then look this upload. It says that get plus for more uploads or wait 1 hour to upload again. So, this is kind of frustrating if you're doing something that uh, due date, you know. So here's how to fix this. First is, of course, open um your browser and then um click new tab and then search for ChatGPT. Download, then write your operating system. So for this tutorial, I'll write Windows because that's my operating system. After that, you should click uh, the first result. Make sure to click the official one, at chatgpt.com. Then click this download for Windows. Again, um, it varies for different OS. So if you're not Windows, do not download this. After that, once it's done downloading, you should click it. Then wait for it to finish downloading. But I'm going to cancel this because I already have uh, the application. So now once it's done downloading and you set it up or you plug into your account, we're going to log in. We're going to open that app, the GPT app, and then now you can now upload any photos or files. Yeah. So here, let's take a look at this. I can now upload um files or whatsoever. That's pretty much it. Just in summary, just download the ChatGPT app and then use it or sign it and then use it because it allows you to upload files for free. That's all. Bye.